In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HR dashboard in Google Sheets. We'll build a simple, reliable setup with two tabs, one to store your personnel data and one to summarize it automatically. Start by creating a new Google Sheet and rename the first tab to Personnel Directory. This is your raw data hub. Add column headers across the top: full name, role, group, join date, pay, dues, and status. Enter your people one per row, keeping names in column A, job roles in column B, the date they joined in column C, their monthly pay or dues in column D, and a clear status such as active or on leave in column E. A few quick setup tips make this work smoothly. Format: join date as a date, format pay dues as currency or a number, and keep the status words consistent so your formulas recognize them. Freezing the header row and turning on filters will make browsing your directory much easier as it grows. Next, add a second tab and call it Dashboard. Here, you'll create a headcount summary that pulls live numbers from the personnel directory without any manual updates. In the first column, type your metric labels: total headcount, active members, total monthly cost, and AVG, tenure, days. In the column next to each label, enter these formulas. For total headcount, use eCount A2A. This counts all non-blank names in your directory. For active members, use CountTF E2E active. This totals only the rows marked active in the status column. For total monthly cost, use XSUM D2D. That adds up the pay dues values for everyone listed. For AVG tenure on days, use XAverage array formula today C2C. This calculates how many days each person has been with you and then averages those values. The today function keeps this up to date automatically. If you've entered 4 people with 3 marked active, you should see a total headcount of 4, active members of 3, a total monthly cost that matches the sum of your pay/dues, and an average tenure that reflects the join dates in your data. If tenure displays with decimals, you can round it later for presentation, but the calculation is already correct. To finish, consider light formatting to make your dashboard easy to read. Bold the metric labels, use number formatting for currency and days, and protect the formula cells so they aren't edited by mistake. From now on, just add or update rows in the personnel directory and your dashboard tab will update itself. That's your streamlined HR dashboard in Google Sheets.